Hey guys, showing you this Bruno Marc loafers for kids. So this is the nice protective covering in the cloth bags, and this is like the black in color. It's a nice loafer design with a waterproof thing. So these are flat sole, no laces, no nothing. So it's easy to wear by the kids with a high thick sole. So it's comfortable in walking with a soft insole. There's no issue with the stitching and the craftsmanship here. Looks really nice pair of shoes and is very much comfortable. So this is how this looks when you wear it, and from all the sides the coverage, everything is good. A nice pair of shoes and a comfortable thing for the kids.